Chandigarh University video leak incident has shocked the entire country, and more than that, the people are angry and are demanding justice for the girls whose private videos were apparently shot and allegedly released. The protesters are demanding strict action against the accused girl and the boy involved in the incident as well. The girl has been arrested and various charges have been pressed against her. The accused girl, who has reportedly confessed to making videos and clicking objectionable photos of almost 60 of her hostel mates and sharing it with the boy for money, has been charged under certain sections of the IPC and under the IT Act as well. The woman has been charged under Section 354C of the Indian Penal Code, which deals with cases where voyeurism is involved. According to this section of the IPC, any person who watches or captures the image of a woman engaging in a private act in circumstances where she would usually have the expectation of not being observed, either by the perpetrator or by any other person, shall be punished on first conviction with imprisonment for not less than 1 year, but which may extend to 3 years, and shall also be liable to a fine, and be punished on a second or subsequent conviction with imprisonment of not less than 3 years, which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to a fine. The accused clicked the pictures and shot objectionable videos of her dorm mates without their knowledge and when they were engaged in a private act, and hence she has been charged under this section. The accused girl has also been charged under the IT Act. Section 66E of the IT Act covers the transmission of images of a private area of any person without his or her consent. The punishment for the same is imprisonment for 3 years or with a fine not exceeding 2 lakh rupees or with both. This section is extremely important as right to privacy has been recently held to be guaranteed as a fundamental right and protected under the right to life in Part 3 of the Constitution of India. Section 67 of the IT Act deals with the publishing or transmitting of obscene material. Section 67A deals with publishing or transmitting of material which contains sexually explicit act or conduct. The punishment on first conviction is imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to 10 lakh. Meanwhile, the IG Gurpreet Deo talked to the media about the entire row and said that the man from Shimla is known to the accused girl. Only after he is caught, more details will be known. Forensic probe of the accused girl's mobile phone will be conducted, she added.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.